How to download MP3 music from YouTube. What's up everyone? Today I'm going to show you guys how you can easily download MP3 music from your YouTube. But before we do that, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. First thing you have to do is open up any web browser you have on your PC and then click on the search bar and simply search for youtube.com. And once you've searched for youtube.com, go ahead and enter. Once you land on your YouTube, you just have to make sure that you are logged into your account. And once you're logged in, all you have to do is on the left side of your screen, you'll find different options. But in order to access the audio library from YouTube, you need to open up your YouTube library and head over to YouTube Studio. Click on the profile and then head over to YouTube Studio. And once you land on your YouTube Studio, what you need to do now is on the left side you'll find different options. Just scroll down here and right at the bottom you'll find audio library. Just click on it, and from here you'll be able to see all of these audios that are copyright free, and you can use it and download the music free of cost for your project. You can also use these audio tracks in any of your videos as well. You could also search the audio category catalog by keyword, artist name, and song title, or you could also use filters. So choose any audio that you want to download, and right besides here you will see this download button. So let me just choose this one and click on download. And as you can see here, the audio has been downloaded. So that's pretty much it. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll catch you on the next one.